샤피 고고 다리 세문전 땅치래. 아니 세문전 땅치도 데이터가 샤파 몽보 머겨에. 그 타커 ರಂಗ 셈라다. 데 금치 뭐번 잠소 드네 송원제 파르타 징거 추갸래. 서타 ರಂಗ 셈 생치금 초. 파르타지고 추 몽보즈가 드네 짐지기 쉐도 좀이그 디모셰 근데네 ರಂಗ 셈나 나도 카츠라 되지구조나 다 고지요 송래.
That is what I'm going to say for the approach that involves analysis. As for the other approach I mentioned, which is the contemplative meditative placement, then to understand emptiness from that perspective, you just look directly into the mind without analyzing. As the great Nippon Rinpoche tells us that it's not necessary to look and try to analyze all the myriad phenomena that are external. Just turn within, just introspect, and only focus directly into the subject itself.
자거그 접친 화사라하 전부 할리치 다림 크바 전부라 공거 척송르제나 삼당 삼샤 랍터 바네스 삼메 어창앙도 내샤장도 체젠르제나 다 삼샤양 장메 삼큰양 장메 삼지쟁 메바가 회나 워총 기마 탁바타위 렁거셈거 ngola 렁거셈거 테지론디 다 고지지요 송.
Another quote from the great Indian master Saraha from his spiritual hymns, and he tells us, completely eliminate the thinker and the thoughts. That means mind and object of mind. Rest in the mindless state, like a newborn child. So, just as the quote tells us, by eliminating the process of thinking and even considering who is the thinker or the apprehender, just rest in this mindless state, like a newborn child, a child that has just come out of the womb.
회나 cher남바가 따르고 나온다 말을 무게다나 닛 크네 나자가 쉬로라 하라가 양에다나 더니 나토군 담은자 제네 나자가 강당 강티나야 나토티 ngola 때문에 겁나 남토때 란서 뚫은죠 송제 금킨 뭐번 잠소 공로 등거 오늘 겁나 땀주 잠비 ng시름 보지 조밀감나 척송제나 대체 타기 남칼라 대바 젠더 렁거세 gew진 바양 동어라네 따뜻 체제되잖아 어떻게 타거그 남칼라 하르테저 저런데 남칼 동아야 따뜻한 자 진짜 렁거 세마 셈기 셈라 때문에 겁나 셈데 남토 잠만자 나좀 gew진 비네 겁나요 동아 아 얘네 쯤맘용아 그러나 뇨모와 제르당 깨고나 제르당 오데 때저데 제르당데 때네 남카담냐 남칸 잡았다바 얘네 쯤맘용아서 얘노다 제르남베 때네 또다 꼬레 때네 치르제나 제르남베 셈 렁거 말 냠르저게다 렁거 나토데 그치 또다나 때네 고도 타마르 곰교에다 렁거 셈거 렁거 셈아서 또다나 고지오레 고도 제르남베 그치즈가 렁거 셈거 나토 zongun genan자 ngamban genan자 churg sema churg ztenena te jambaz gastar gonna ngcheki rigmrig moz gonda rang sema rang tena mogojon mare tena dari rang sema rang to da kanrendo gonno dan gonno dan sam.
Now, whether you are falling asleep, dreaming, even if you can, distracted, when you are overwhelmed by conflicting emotions, whatever the case may be, you should look at your mind at that time, that's the main objective that's being presented here. This subject was dealt with by the great Nippon Rinpoche in his Lamp of Certainty, which he composed at age 7, where it states, just like gazing directly into space, one's mind is inherently empty as it is present. So in its presence, it is inherently empty. And this is telling us that whatever is going on with the mind, it's your mind that you are dealing with. And if you understand that primordially the nature of this mind is empty, which means that it has never actually existed, that it is non-existent, then when you are feeling a passion such as anger or any other passion, you can determine that the nature of this passion is unborn because it doesn't really exist in a non-existent mind. And so you can just rest in that moment. You can do this within your own mind. It's difficult to know what's going on in the minds of others, but you definitely are the one who knows what's going on in your own mind. So whatever is going on there, rather than holding on to that and pursuing that objectively, you just gaze right into the ascertainer, the mind itself, and you identify that as being non-existent and empty, and you rest. And you will see that all of those reactions are naturally pacified.
Yeah.
And so this text that I just quoted from, this Lamp of Certainty, Rinpoche asked if it has been translated into English, and we replied, yes, it has. Rinpoche wants to know if any of you have read it. Have you had a chance to study it? Maybe you think he was too young to write anything comprehensible at age 7, so it might not be worth it, but really that's not the case. You should check it out.
yang tagbi ngola yang tagbi stawa go teve nerkamna tene yang tagbi yishi jotme pajigdum gondo kironje ta gil lama dana ngortog gen jon mambo ziknana tsing tumber ndalab sarsha jiame jabr shawa jonzitme yang tag nyela yang tag ta yang tag thona number 2 ta tag sonje tag sonje ta ting chiki sem ge Namtok Ramanjan to Soyina, Sarjogizana, Sara Juyongigon Mare, Rangola, Rango Steven Kamna, Rangati, Tari, Tenyacherta, and the Rangertoyon Sonje, Tenina, Tanda Hajan, Randanda Jara Samgayo, Diana, Tiernambi Gonamagona in Messi.
So this is not really a discussion of the, let's say, the elimination of passions and the establishment of wisdom awareness. This is rather the emphasis of actualizing the correct, perfectly correct view. And in doing so, by sustaining the perfectly correct view, then perfectly pure wisdom will emerge as a matter of course in an ineffable way. And so this has become something that is so inexpressible that great treaties have been dedicated to the subject, which is referred to in texts such as the Uttara Tantra and the Ornament of Certainty and so forth, where it mentions, and Kenji gave the quote, which means that on the subject we're on, one must know how to identify the nature of one's own mind in terms of developing a perfectly correct view. And so the perfectly correct view is the viewer of itself. And in that context, to view in a qualified way the nature of who you are is the most precious discovery.